Good morning, everyone. So, our topic for today is interdisciplinary in physical education in models. So, what is interdisciplinary education? It is a process in which two or more subject areas are integrated with the goal of fostering enhanced learning in each subject area. So, the disciplines may be rated through a central theme. So, issue, problem, process, topic, or experience by Jacobs in 1989. So, implementing an interdisciplinary program brings teachers together to create existing learning experience for students and discover new ways of delivering the curriculum. So, let's go to the models of a physical education. So, although each of Fuggeretti models is helpful and multiplicity of choices is somewhat overwhelming. So, we have experimented with a variety of approaches to interdisciplinary. So, teaching and have developed three models that function in a continuum from simple to complex in figure 1.1. So, this is the three interdisciplinary teaching models. Connected, share, and partnership provide approaches for integrating the skills concept of two or more subject areas. So, these models will help you clarify your intent and objectives for using interdisciplinary teaching. So, first model is connected model. So, connected models figure 1.2 is the skills, topics, and concept of the physical education curriculum are the primary focus of the meaning, experience, and the content from other subject area is used to enhance, extend, or complement the learning experience. So this model commonly used by teacher because they are comfortable with it, allows them to independent plan, schedule, and choose the subject area content for the connection. So first is when you introduce a new skills topic or concept, you can see the content from the subject to further explain or illustrate the skills, topic, or concept you are teaching. For example is when introduce the proper technique for a jump, you can use the scientific principle of how a spring works to illustrate the jumping action. So you use imagery when you use the notion of a moving spring to make a point about jumping. So next is the share model. So share model is one in which two subjects are integrated through a similar skills, topic, or concept that is part of the content for both subject areas in figure 1.3. So the model requires agreement between the teacher on the theme line for teaching. So the timeline can result in simultaneous presentation in the respective classrooms, or one teacher might explore a common theme, skills, topic, or concept a short time before the other teacher. So first is to help teacher take the first step in collaborating with another teacher. So the teachers discuss the content they plan to teach during the year and identify common skills, topics, or concepts. So once the content has been identified, they align the sequence of teaching to deliver the common lesson or unit in a similar time. So for example, in a social studies unit, students are learning about how communities work together, and the student develop a homework hotline to help other students in the school. So the third is the partnership model. So the partnership model defined by the equal representation of two or more subject areas in a curricular effort. So the skills, topics, and concept of two or more subject areas are blended together so that the learning takes places simultaneously in all subject areas. So teaching is collaborative and is often accomplished through a theme teaching model. So the teacher teach together at the same time in the same classroom, collaborations to deliver and agreed on content within the curricular areas. So to reinforce a selected theme, several teachers may choose a broad theme for a grade level or as a school-wide project. So teacher in school subject areas find a way to teach different aspect of the theme figure 1.4. So however, a theme may not be equally important across all subject areas. As an example, so example is you might use the theme of change in science. Students study in changing season. The visual arts lesson focus on how changing your perspective while you view a sculpture changes what you see. The language arts emphasize the process of changing a piece of writing to fit different audience, and in physical education, change is addressed as students study how the sports of basketball has changed over the last 100 years. So that's all. Thank you. Click din lang.